Is the age of jumbo jets really over? Think again. As legendary giants like the Boeing 747 and Airbus A380 fade into history, China is sparking a new chapter with the C939, a massive long-range wide-body aircraft set to revive the dream of epic long-haul travel. This isn't just a plane, it's China's bold move to challenge the West's grip on aviation. With a capacity for over 400 passengers and a range exceeding 13,000 kilometers, the C939 aims to soar above competitors, proving that jumbo jets still have a future. China's ambition is clear: dominate the skies and reshape global aviation. Before we dive into video, please subscribe our channel. Can a nation once reliant on others now rule the skies? China aviation journey proves it's possible. Starting from near total dependence on Western technology, China has built a thriving civil aviation industry. The ARJ-21, a regional jet carrying 78 passengers over 3,700 kilometers, was the first step, entering mass production by 2015, with over 100 units built by 2022. Though powered by General Electric engines, it taught China valuable lessons in aircraft manufacturing. Next came the C919, a game-changer launched in 2022, competing directly with the Airbus A320 and Boeing 737. With a 5,500-kilometer range and 158,192 seats, it secured over 1,300 orders by 2024, signaling China's growing prowess. These milestones show China's shift from follower to innovator, reducing reliance on foreign suppliers. By mastering design, production, and supply chains, China is laying the groundwork for bigger projects like the C929 and C939. This steady progress reflects a clear vision to challenge global aviation giants and claim a leading role in the industry future. What does it take to rival aviation titans? China C919 shows it's not just ambition, it's results. Launched commercially in 2022, this narrow-body jet, with a 77-ton weight, 158,192 seats, and a 5,500-kilometer range, directly challenges the Airbus A320 and Boeing 737. By 2022-2024, it secured over 1,300 orders, overwhelming production schedules past 2035. This massive demand highlights China's ability to capture the domestic market while eyeing global expansion. The C919 success isn't just about numbers, it's a launchpad for bigger dreams. By proving China can build and sell competitive aircraft, it paves the way for ambitious projects like the C929 and C939. This milestone demonstrates China's growing technical expertise and market trust, positioning it as a serious player. The C919 triumph is a clear signal China is ready to soar beyond its borders, challenging the Boeing-Airbus duopoly with innovation and scale, setting the stage for a new era in global aviation. Can China leap from regional jets to global giants? The C929 is its bold answer. Unveiled in 2023, this wide-body aircraft, designed for intercontinental routes, marks China's first major step into the long-haul market, directly challenging the Boeing 787 and Airbus A350. With a 280-passenger capacity, a 247-ton takeoff weight, and a 12,000-kilometer range, it's built to connect cities like Beijing to London or New York. The first prototype is set to fly in 2025, with commercial service targeted for 2029. Currently in the preliminary design phase, with Air China as its launch customer, the C929 showcases China's growing technical prowess. Despite reliance on Western components like engines, China is developing the CJ-3000 engine to boost self-sufficiency. This project builds on the C919 success, signaling China's intent to disrupt the Boeing-Airbus duopoly. The C929 isn't just an aircraft, it's a statement of ambition, aiming to reshape global aviation with innovation and scale. Is China ready to build the ultimate jumbo jet? The C939 says yes. Confirmed in 2024 by Comac, this massive wide-body aircraft is China's largest yet, designed to rival giants like the Airbus A340-600. With a range exceeding 13,000 kilometers, a capacity for over 400 passengers, and a 280,320-ton takeoff weight, It's built for long-haul passenger flights and large-scale cargo. Its 76-meter fuselage, longer than the Boeing 777-300ER, allows flexible cabin layouts for ultra-long routes. Targeting commercialization by 2039, the C939 is now in preliminary design, with key technical details taking shape. Powered by two advanced CJ-3000 engines, it aims to match the world's best. This ambitious project underscores China's technological leap, aiming to compete with the largest twin-engine aircraft. The C939 isn't just a plane, it's a bold challenge to Boeing and Airbus, signaling China's intent to dominate the skies and redefine global aviation standards. Can China power its aviation dreams independently? The CJ-3000 engine is a game-changer. Designed to propel the C939, this domestically developed engine targets an impressive 45 tons of thrust, rivaling global leaders like the GE9X, 45 tons, and Trent XWB, 44 tons. This leap is crucial as China's current engines, like the CJ-1000A, 13 tons, for the C919, lag behind. The CJ-3000, still in development, aims to free China from reliance on Western suppliers, a major hurdle in its aviation journey. By equipping the C939 with just 2 engines instead of 4, China embraces cutting-edge efficiency, aligning with trends in aircraft like the Boeing 787. Success here would mark a historic milestone, proving China can compete in the high-stakes world of jet engine technology. The CJ-3000 isn't just about power. It's a symbol of China's ambition to innovate, reduce dependency, and challenge Boeing and Airbus in the global aerospace race. Why build a jumbo jet with just 2 engines? China's C939 proves it's the future. Unlike older 4-engine giants like the Boeing 747, the C939 uses a twin-engine design powered by the CJ-3000, delivering efficiency and performance. Modern engines, producing up to 45 tons of thrust each, match the power of multiple engines from decades past. This setup cuts fuel use by over 25%, lowers emissions, and reduces maintenance costs, aligning with global demands for sustainability and profitability. Twin-engine aircraft like the Boeing 787 and Airbus A350 set the standard, and China's following suit. With engines reliable enough to fly 3,000 kilometers on one, safety is assured. This choice isn't just technical, it's strategic, showcasing China's forward-thinking approach. By embracing this trend, the C939 positions China to compete with Western giants, offering airlines cost-effective, eco-friendly solutions while challenging the Boeing-Airbus duopoly in the race for aviation dominance. Can a single aircraft reshape global aviation? China's C939 aims to do just that. Boasting a 76-meter fuselage, this jumbo jet offers a 13,000-plus kilometer range, over 400 seats, and a 280 to 320-ton takeoff weight, rivaling top-tier aircraft. Its flexible cabin, exceeding 70 meters, supports diverse layouts for ultra-long-haul flights and boosts cargo capacity for logistics. Targeting commercialization by 2039, the C939 is in preliminary design, with technical parameters solidifying. Powered by 2 CJ-3000 engines, it reflects China's push for self-reliance in advanced technology. This isn't just a plane, it's a strategic move to challenge Boeing and Airbus's dominance. By blending cutting-edge design with long-term vision, China aims to disrupt the aerospace supply chain and set new industry standards. The C939 embodies ambition, showcasing China's ability to innovate and compete globally, positioning it as a formidable player in the future of aviation. Can China truly rival aviation giants? The C939 faces steep hurdles. Developing the CJ-3000 engine, targeting 45 tons of thrust, is a major challenge, as China's current CJ-1000A produces only 13 tons. Scaling up requires years of testing and innovation to match Western engines like the GE9X. Gaining global certification for the C939, ensuring it meets stringent safety and performance standards, is another obstacle, given Boeing and Airbus's established trust. Market acceptance is tough. Airlines worldwide rely on familiar Western brands. China must also build a robust supply chain independent of foreign parts, a complex task amid global competition. Despite these challenges, China's progress with the C919 and C929 shows determination. Overcoming these barriers, engine development, certification, and market penetration will test China's resolve. Success could redefine aviation, but failure risks delaying its global ambitions, making the C939 journey a high-stakes gamble in the race against industry titans. Is China just building planes or reshaping aviation? The C939 and CJ-3000 engines signal a broader vision. Beyond aircraft, China aims to transform the global aerospace supply chain, reducing reliance on Western suppliers. By developing its own engines and technology, it boosts resilience in a volatile economy. The C919, C929, and C939 reflect relentless innovation, challenging Boeing and Airbus dominance. China's heavy investment in R&D and international partnerships sets new industry standards. These projects aren't just technical feats. They're strategic moves to shift power in aviation. Beijing's ambition goes beyond catching up. It's about leading. From redefining market dynamics to fostering cooperation, China's aviation journey is a story of bold goals and global influence. The C939 embodies this shift, marking China as a force the world can't ignore. As it builds an independent industry, China is poised to not only compete but redefine the future of global aviation.